Today we will learn some shopping related sentences. If you know these, you can shop anywhere in the world. I am 100% sure that after learning these, you can automatically create any sentences related to shopping. From now on, you can speak English fluently while shopping anywhere. So, let's get started. Is there a pharmacy in this area? Is there a pharmacy in this area? Where can I get Italian food from? Where can I get Italian food from? Where is the nearest shopping center? Where is the nearest shopping center? Can you recommend a good coffee shop? Can you recommend a good coffee shop? The nearest one is a few miles away. The nearest one is a few miles away. Are you open all day? Are you open all day? What time do you close? What time do you close? What are your opening hours? What are your opening hours? What time are you open until? What time are you open until? Are you open on the weekends? Are you open on the weekends? We are open 7 days a week. We are open 7 days a week. We are open from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. We are open from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. We are closed on bank holidays. We are closed on bank holidays. We are closed on national holidays. We are closed on national holidays. We are open on weekends only. We are open on weekends only. Can I help you? Can I help you? May I help you? May I help you? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? What size would you like? What size would you like? Would you like to try it on? Would you like to try it on? What color would you like? What color would you like? Would you like anything else? Would you like anything else? Can I help you find something? Can I help you find something? Could you help me please? Could you help me please? Do you have a refund policy? Do you have a refund policy? Could you tell me where the toilet is, please? Could you tell me where the toilet is, please? Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a bigger size? Do you have a larger size? Do you have something expensive? Do you have something expensive? Do you have this item in stock? Do you have this item in stock? Does it come with a guarantee or warranty? Does it come with a guarantee or warranty? Excuse me, do you work here? Excuse me, do you work here? Have you got anything cheaper? Have you got anything cheaper? How much are these? How much are these? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? How much is this? How much is this? I am looking for a shirt. I am looking for a shirt. I am trying to find a belt. I am trying to find a belt. Is this in the sale? Is this in the sale? Where can I wait my groceries? Where can I wait my groceries? Where is the changing room? Where is the changing room? Would you have this in another color? Would you have this in another color? I don't need any help. I don't need any help. I'm just browsing, thanks. I'm just browsing, thanks. No, I'm just looking, thanks. No, I'm just looking, thanks. I will take it. I will take it. I will take this, please. I will take this, please. It's too long. It's too long. It's too short. It's too short. It's too tight. It's too tight. It's too loose. It's too loose. Oh, that's expensive. Oh, that's expensive. That's a little over my budget. That's a little over my budget. That's not exactly what I am looking for. That's not exactly what I am looking for. That's quite reasonable. That's quite reasonable. Wow, that's cheap. Wow, that's cheap. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.